Okay, this is also very nice today here on the 9th of May 2025. We have it's Suolaketie 6,
Yeah.
settings vegan.
Yeah.
6 degrees C here in Gammelbacka. It's one of the suburbs of Porvoo,
Yeah.
Finland.
One rat is enough.
We don't have to.
Yeah.
We have 6 floors. Blocks and it has been built by ValmetSchlieren in 1974 and modernized by Kone with Delta fixtures in 2006. Summer speed is 43-46. West days 4 plus 20 degrees. It's the original doors.
Yeah,
Stairs.
but they were covered with this.
All about the other side.
Yeah.
Is it also covered? No.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Unfortunately, that's right. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You can press play.
I already pressed 6.
Man only one line because even though this is Delta, but it's 2006, so that's what one is.
Yeah, and not Compte or Chandor also.
Yeah, true.
That's
Thank you very much for watching.